Hi, my name's Sara Fewell, and this summer I was a buying intern for Burlington stores in the Men's Better Active department. My responsibilities included tracking performance, writing PO sheets, participating in vendor meetings and comp shopping, and doing trend research for my area. I found this internship on LinkedIn and applied for it. In the first interview, it was virtual round, and then I moved on to the second round over Teams with a recruiter named Destiny Calderon. The next day, she called me to tell me that I had gotten the internship and sent over the acceptance forms to sign. The thing I enjoyed the most about the internship was how hands-on it was and how I got to fully emerge in the buying area, as well as attending the vendor meetings in New York City. 3 of the most important things I learned was building and maintaining relationships, learning about all the different areas within the industry, and becoming confident in myself when mentioning my thoughts and opinions. I advise future interns to not be afraid to ask questions and learn as much info as possible.